We had a file system set up where we would save all of our projects with a certain type of coding. However, that didn't give us any insight into returns or who's awarded us projects like on a percentage base or anything. So it was just a manual process that I had myself. It didn't allow for a very easy follow-up routine to reach out to the contractors. It was a very crude process before. Right when I opened it up, it took me just 15 to 30 minutes to kind of go throughout the whole process, upload contacts into it. It was a very smooth process to learn it. Another thing that really stood out right in the beginning was the analytics. It was nice to be able to just click a button and see who my top contractors were, who's awarding us the work, how much work we've sent out, and how much those contractors have awarded us. It's already changed in the past few months who I'm sending proposals to. I definitely see that this is going to start pushing our attention towards contractors that are giving us either feedback or awarding us the projects that we need in order to move forward. It is definitely going to save time in the office with sending proposals out to customers that aren't giving us work. Sometimes you kind of get lost in the projects and you're not actually paying attention who you're sending them to. That's going to be the biggest thing, is linking the companies to the projects and also holding the companies responsible to give you the information you need. It's just giving me the ammo and the information in a single place for me to do that. My biggest suggestion would be to just go for it because it's so simple. If you think it's going to benefit you, you're going to realize the benefits of it within the first few hours. It's not difficult to learn. It's super easy, it's super straightforward, and it's super select on the information that you need to put into it. It's not asking for too much. It's also not asking for too little. If you log on and you play around with the software for a very short amount of time, you'll know if you're interested. So just open the program and give it a shot. You've got 30 minutes to lose if you don't like it, because that's all it's going to take to become familiar with it.